Hello everybody, it's Mark here from Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, your friendly exterior cleaning company based here in Abingdon, Oxfordshire. So today we're going to be discussing the cost of cleaning your gutters. Now this isn't really the most important topic that we need to talk about, however the information that you need to know as a customer is the most important part of what we need to talk about in this video. So now let's talk about gutter cleaning prices, and hopefully you've seen some of our other videos regarding gutter cleaning and gutter cleaning problems. So we're often asked here at Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, how much does it cost to clean the gutters on my property? Well, there's a few factors we need to take into consideration. The size of the property. If you live in a 2-bedroom, 2 up, 2 down, it's not going to be as big as Buckingham Palace, okay? What height are we working to? Do you live in a townhouse? Do you have a conservatory or extension on the back of your property? These are all little things that we do need to take into consideration when we're giving you a price for cleaning your gutters here in Oxfordshire. So the average price based on the information on our website to clean gutters is from £140 to £200 depending on the size of your property. Most exterior cleaning companies will offer a discount for larger properties and also for repeat customers as well. So make sure you sign up to our newsletter at alfrescoec.co.uk, and we send out regular updates for all of our customers, including any offers that we have. We're often asked, can you do it yourself? Short answer is yes, you can. But we wouldn't really advise that because obviously you could be working at height. If you're not used to working up a ladder, then chances are you're going to put yourself in a dangerous position. You may not be able to complete the work properly. You may not check your downpipe and the little swan necks just to make sure they're clear and free flowing. Where most exterior cleaning companies know and understand the best way and efficient way to clean your gutters. Here at Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, we use the gutter vac systems with the poles so the guys can work safely from the ground and make sure all of that residue in your gutters is cleaned out. If you'd like to know more information about Alfresco and the services that we offer, please go to the website at alfrescoec.co.uk, or you can give us a call in the office on 0333 567 2727. Thanks for watching.